Hello there, and welcome to your U-Drive demonstration video, courtesy of Cherry Picker. This unit has a working height of 15 metres, an outreach of 8.2 metres with one person in the basket, and 7 metres with two people in the basket, and a basket capacity of 200 kilograms with stabilisers. Other features of this machine include that it can be operated on a 5-degree slope left to right, and on a 15-degree slope front to back. The user of this machine does not need to enter the van itself during the use of the aerial platform, as all controls, including emergency lowering and stabilisers, can be operated from inside the basket. For added security, you can lock the cab itself while the PTO is engaged. Finally, this is an exceptionally smooth and quiet unit that has been designed specifically with the operator in mind. In this short video, we will take a look at the operation setup, the basket controls and the ground controls. Upon entering the vehicle, make sure that the handbrake is raised fully. Then you can turn to the right-hand side of the steering wheel to engage the cherry picker. Also make sure that in the van itself, the key is switched over to allow for the control of the unit from the basket. Upon entering the basket, when you lift up the handrail, make sure that it is replaced back down into the closed position, otherwise the basket controls will not be engaged. The basket controls are as follows: boom up and down, telly in and out, jib up and down, slew left and right, stabilisers up and down, emergency pump, the emergency stop button, engine stop and start, enable button, basket tilt forward and backwards. In order to lower your stabilisers, make sure that you first hold down the enable button and then you can lower the stabilisers one by one. The two green lights will turn on when the machine is level. If you wish to raise the stabilisers, simply lift the control up on either the left or right hand side. Finally, on descent, it is very important to make sure that you centre the boom correctly by using the red arrows that are provided. Now we will take a look at using the ground controls. The pendant is located inside the van itself. Be careful to make sure that the key is switched over to allow for ground control. When using the pendant, make sure that you select the control that you need first. And then engage the enable switch at the centre of the bottom row by pushing it up to allow for its use.